Welcome. Today I am at the statue located at the foothill of Yerebuni Fortress. Yerebuni Fortress is a very ancient fortress here in Yerevan, and it actually was built since 782 BC. 29 years before the founding of the great city of Rome itself. We are talking about a city built over what, nearly 3,000 years ago. And here we have it, Yerebuni Citadel and Yerebuni Museum at the Yerebuni Historical and Archaeological Museum Preserve. And here, 2,800 yerevan. So what I've learned so far from these information within the museum, the so-called god Kaldi is like the supreme god of the Orientian pantheon. So this is the outdoor, well, courtyard area of the museum, and you just have these couple of pots. I think these are made from basalt, which was predominantly the foundation building material of this fortress. Right on with figure of a horseman. So I'm just walking up this fortress right now to, I believe, what's called Arimbed. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. It's spelled Arimbed, Arimbed, and it's the name of the fortress that I'm heading to right now at the top of this hill. So the first excavation discovery of this place was this cuneiform in the late 19th century during a construction site nearby this place, and that's when they first discovered, oh, there actually may be something underneath hiding among these mountains. So welcome to Erebuni Fortress. So this is the foundation, obviously, because we're talking about a place that was what, over 2,800 years ago, and I believe what I've read from the museum, this is actually a mixture between a material called tufu and basalt rock. Check out this. So of course you have this behind me, but look what's in front of me, right? Just complete barrenness, and the city all the way towards that direction, and through that into the wilderness. So I've made it to what used to be the main entrance, I believe, to the ancient citadel of Yerebuni. So here is the map plan of this citadel, and I am currently right here into the place. Da, 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 da. And here we have some photos. So I think this is AI computer generation of what it used to look like. So obviously you have these stones right here, which is this, and you have these sort of tower looking things overlooking. Just imagine, 2,800 years ago behind me would have been the entrance gate, and now walking through here into this courtyard. And nowadays it's just barren and completely quiet. I'm very curious as to if this is an original fresco. I mean, it obviously has been preserved, but hopefully what I'm seeing is the original thing, but most likely not. And it's a shame that if it is, because it's been somewhat destroyed. Look at that right there. Some line and some kind of human, maybe the god Kalki. Welcome everybody to my new house. Let me give you a quick tour, stop around my new place. So of course this is my house. Very nice, spacious, big, clean, lovely, colourful. Yes, as you can see, and this is my door to my new place. Look at it, here, right here we have the kitchen. Absolutely lovely. We got Mr. Rock right there. We use that to help start us a fire to cook, I think. And all the way down here is the common area in the living room. This is where I chill and just watch stones. And when I watch the sun, yes, I sit here and I sunbathe. And then right here is the highlight of my new home. This is the bedroom right here. At night it gets very cold, but this place gets very cozy and warm. I just set a fire right here and I'm done for the night. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe and share if you enjoyed my house tour. So here is what remains of an important temple building here in Erebuni. And this is actually the temple of Susi. And here are some inscription to say what this used to be on here as well. So what I believe I just stumbled across right here is the ancient storage vessel and granary. So I think they used to store a lot of food here, maybe just mortar their food together here and leave it in this corner of this fortress. So that has been it for today's adventure for this archaeological Erebuni Fortress Museum archaeological site. Really like this place. History, ancient history of a city that's not really well known across the world. So I'm glad to bring you guys this new information, and I'm glad you guys stuck to the end of the video. So make sure to like, subscribe and share if you're new.